So it is easier for me to share them with you so that you know, because I'm currently experiencing those things. Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Anna back again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about things I wish I knew before starting YouTube. Before I get right into this video, I want to do a comment of the day shout out to Anastasia. Girl, I see your comments on all my video. I want to say a very big thank you for supporting me and always commenting on my video. If you want to know how to get a shout out, please read my description down below to know what to do to get a shout out. And without wasting more of your time, let's get right into this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is data. I watch a lot of YouTubers always talking about things they wish they knew before starting YouTube, and none of them ever mentions data. That is data consumption when you want to upload a YouTube video. Uploading a YouTube video requires a lot of data. Like, if I had known that, I would have planned myself better, because now it's like I'm spending money upon money on getting a data plan that will best suit me uploading a new YouTube video, and it sucks. It really does suck. Like one of my videos, the highest video I've ever uploaded was like required 5 gig worth of data. So yeah, I wish I knew that before starting YouTube. So anybody that's about to start YouTube, if you're watching this video, data is one of the things you really need to consider. If you can get yourself a Wi-Fi or a Spectrum net, anything, or a MiFi or router, anything that can help back you up with your data, so you don't waste so much money in subscribing for a new data plan just because you want to upload a new YouTube video. The next thing I wish I knew before starting YouTube is that you really have to put effort into getting keywords and SEO for your video. If you don't know what SEO means search engine optimization, and this is basically the things that will make your videos searchable online for viewers to watch. So getting keywords and SEOs for your video is really very important. Like I have to do a lot of research, find words that people will type into the Google search if you're looking for a particular video. Like, these are words that they're actually common words, but because of the YouTube algorithm, they don't make it so common. Like, you really have to go in depth. You might want to post a video and you think, oh, if you put this title, oh, you're good to go. My dear, no, you're not good to go. Your title has to be something someone can search for. If your title is not something someone can search for, you won't have a good SEO score. Therefore, YouTube will not want to push that video because people are not searching for your type of videos. So keywords and SEOs, really take that into consideration if you want to start a YouTube channel. Now, I know you guys might think, oh, you've not gotten anywhere in this YouTube. Why are you giving tips, telling us about things we need to know for starting? My dear, most people that really do these videos are people that have made it in YouTube. Like, they are verified, their videos are getting monetized, they have over 10,000 followers. I myself, I'm just starting, and because I'm just starting, these are struggles that I am currently facing. And because these are struggles I am currently facing, it is easier for me to share them with you so that you know, because I'm currently experiencing those things. The next thing I want to talk about is planning. You have to plan. Like, I never knew that having a YouTube channel will require me to do a lot of planning. I'm going to tell you, I have never been more organized in my life with the way I am always organized with my YouTube. Like, I plan everything. I plan what I want to say, I plan when I want to post, I plan the content I want to make. I have to plan everything. I have to plan the time I will get the data that I want to use to upload it. Like, YouTube does require a lot. If you don't have a time, you are planning to fail. Moving on, the next thing I want to talk about is time consuming. YouTube is very time consuming. Very. YouTube will suck the life and the drain and the energy out of you. I'm not saying this to discourage you, but it is because, like I said, you plan, you have to plan, and planning, you need to take your time to actually plan good content that you're going to post. That is one. It takes time to research your keywords. Like I've said, it takes time to upload because of the amount of data you're going to use to upload, and the size of the video. It takes time to even upload a video, so it is very time consuming. I spend most of my time on YouTube. Either I'm editing the video, or I'm planning the video, or I'm uploading the video, or I'm promoting the video, or I'm promoting my channel, or it's like I said, I have never been this small. I've never invested such time and energy in anything in my life like I'm doing. The next thing I want to talk about is coming up with ideas and executing them. Before I even started this particular video that I'm doing, I had a tough time because I have so many ideas of things I want to do, but then like they are good ideas, but then when I actually sit in front of the camera to actually start recording, I don't know what to say. I don't know how I'm going to, you know, talk about the video or whatever. So coming up with ideas is maybe I think some people that are like into YouTube will relate to what I'm saying, but if you're not and you're about to start, just know that if you are very creative and you have a bunch of things you want to do, a bunch of video ideas that you want to put out, to execute them might be wahala sometimes, but you know what, you just have to sit down and do it. Like I sat down and just heard this YouTube video. The next thing I want to talk about is your vocabulary. Yeah, do you know you really need to know how to speak good English to me? I mean, you don't really know how to like speak the perfect English, but like to some extent you should know your vocabulary matters so that you can be able to communicate with people, your viewers. You know, I am still battling a lot. See, I just made you see what just happened here. Yeah, so I am still battling a lot with my vocabulary, but I think it will get better over time. Like, to be very honest, the way I speak to you guys on YouTube is not the way I speak in my day-to-day life. No. Like, I feel like on YouTube I have this perfect English that I'm speaking, but then my day-to-day life I'm blowing tabo upon tabo. The next thing I wish I knew before starting YouTube is that I have to be watching a lot of tutorials. Basically, because I am starting my YouTube channel by myself. This is literally a one-woman business or a one-woman show. So a lot of things I have to watch tutorial about how to create the channel. I watched a video of how to like properly create a YouTube channel, how to create my YouTube banner, how to set up my YouTube studio, how to create an intro. The key things you need in your YouTube channel, you have to start watching tutorials on how to do it, because if you don't watch tutorials on how to do it by yourself, you eventually start paying people to do these things for you, and you don't want to do that. You want to do it by yourself so that you can be the one rendering your services to other people. It doesn't really have to be YouTube. Like, now that I know I can edit my videos to an extent, if someone maybe might be looking for a video editor, I can apply, you know, and do it, because I can be like, oh, look at my YouTube videos, look at the way I edit my YouTube videos. Yeah, so another thing you need to know before going into YouTube, are they required to get monetized? Yes, a lot of people actually start YouTube because they know that there is money in this app. Because I think YouTube is one of the most lucrative social media platforms we have, where you can monetize the content that you put out. So because of that, people just jump into YouTube without knowing the requirement of what it is to get monetized. My dear, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 1,000 subscribers might not look like such a big milestone, but that 4,000 watch hours is where the challenge comes in, because you can get to 1,000 subscribers in a month, in 2 months, in 3 months, but if you don't have a couple of viral videos, you're not getting your 4,000 watch hours. Not like, should I say viral videos? Like, if some of your videos are not having like 10,000 views, 20,000 views, 100,000 views, you are not getting that watch time hours. Yes, so let me put it out there. You need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. And I wish I knew, because if I had known, I would have planned better. But still, it doesn't derail me. I'm gonna get monetized. The next thing I wish I knew before going into YouTube: editing your videos. Editing your videos. It takes forever to edit a video, because first, recording it takes a lot of storage. Like a 3-minute video can be like 1 gig or 800 MB. So now you have that long footage that you have to compress and cut out parts that you are not making any sense, or maybe when you are breathing too long or you've not said anything for too long, you need to start chopping, and then maybe put like pictures or images in your videos, you know, to get your point across to your viewers. Like, I think I've gotten better, and I've gotten better because of I think it's tip number 2 or number 3 about planning. Yeah, so now I plan the things I want to say, and because I'm planning them, I don't go off topic when I'm talking to you guys, so I don't really have to cut out much from my videos, so everything is smooth. But yeah, I wish I knew it took that amount of time to edit one YouTube video. Like, you guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. The next thing I want to go into is trying to perfect everything. Yeah, I think for my first 2-3 videos, I was trying to perfect every single little thing, even if everything I'm using to record my videos were not perfect. I don't have a camera, I don't have a good background, I don't have a mic, I don't have a tripod, I don't have ring lights, I don't have any of those equipments you normally require to film a YouTube video. I just use my phone and this that you're seeing here. So when I looked at that and I see that, like, I'm still trying to correct and like make everything perfect, I'm like, girl, you don't even have the equipment, so why are you just trying to make everything look like 100%? It's not going to be 100% when you start. I promise you, it is not. But with time, you're going to get better at it. I guarantee you that. So don't waste your energy trying to make everything look perfect. Make it look presentable, but not perfect, if that makes any sense. The next thing I want to talk about is you are going to be doing every single thing by yourself. Now, you're going to be doing the planning, you're going to be doing the editing, you're going to do the promotion of the video, you're going to do promotion of your channel, you're going to be replying to comments, you're going to be replying to DMs, you're going to be searching for ideas for content that you want to put out. So you're basically going to do everything by yourself once you start a YouTube channel, and it's a lot of work. So you need to plan yourself appropriately. You need to plan yourself so you don't drain out yourself, because if you really look at it, if you really look at the work you're actually putting, and it kind of sucks because when you put all this energy and time into one video and then you pause that video and then it's not getting, you know, the views you hope you get, the engagement that you hoped it would get, what is the word? It doesn't give you motivation to want to post more. So yeah, that's the word. So yeah, you're going to be doing everything by yourself. Basically, you're going to be every single thing, you're going to be doing it by yourself. So get ready for the work that is YouTube. So yeah, that is basically all the things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. I might do an updated version of this video as I continue to grow on YouTube, but yeah, these are the things I'm currently facing right now at this stage of my YouTube journey. Like, these are what I'm facing like right now, as a small YouTuber, as a beginner YouTuber, as a new YouTuber, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I'd share it with you guys so that whoever that wants to start will know that the first stage of your YouTube journey, this is what you're going to be facing. So I hope you learned something. So with that being said, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video thus far, please give it a like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next. Also, information on how to get shout out on my videos is linked. Is it linked? I wrote it in my description below. I've been forming grammar since. It's in the description below if you want to get a shout out, comments of the day shout out, Instagram shout out, TikTok shout out, memory verse shout out. All details are in my description, so please check it out. And also, I don't know, you guys, I just look fine today. Do you guys agree? If you agree, please comment down below that I look fine in today's video. I don't know, I put less effort, like I'm a beaut on the normal. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.